Barlow Creations. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. What do I have going on for today? Today I am bringing to you Simply Earth's July recipe subscription box. I am so stinking excited yet again. June's recipe box outdid May's. I cannot wait to see what they have in store for us this July and what recipes I can whip up for you this month. So let's jump into it and let's see what came in July's recipe box. Alrighty, we've got our stickers for labeling all of the recipes that we can make with this month's subscription box. Fun. Recipe cards. We've got a foot cleansing salt scrub. A calming diffuser blend. I like it. A clarifying roll-on. A sore muscle soak. Ooh, a whipped body butter. Ooh, and this is cool, a car diffuser recipe. Nice. So let's see here. What do we have in this tissue paper? How stinking cute is this? It feels like a ceramic dog. It's got a clip here, so I am guessing that this is what we will put our essential oils on and clip it to our air vent in the car. It comes with a eucalyptus oil, a lemongrass, a sleepy, and a spearmint. Spearmint is one that I've had before. It's one of my favorites, so it's nice that they're sending me another bottle of this. This is the first time I've gotten this sleepy essential oil. The sore muscle soak uses the sleepy essential oil, and so does the whipped body butter. Nice, nice, nice. Let's try out the foot cleansing salt scrub. We're gonna start off with 3 tablespoons of a kosher salt or a coarse sea salt. I'm gonna be using a coarse sea salt. I'm gonna be using a coconut oil as my carrier oil, and 2 tablespoons equals 1 ounce. And I'm gonna add 18 drops of this sleepy essential oil and 18 drops of the eucalyptus essential oil as well. Now I'm gonna mix it all together. And this is ready to use. This is a jar that was sent to me in my bonus box that Simply Earth sends to me every 6 months. So this is the jar that I'm gonna put my foot scrub in. This smells amazing. And there we have a foot cleansing scrub. In the past, I have used a salt or a sugar scrub on my feet and legs, and when I get a pedicure, I always like getting that scrub as well. And so this is something that definitely works, and it is very soothing and relaxing and really kind of helps with those rough spots on your heels and feet. Now let's try out the Calming Diffuser blend. This is a diffuser that I picked up at Walmart, and I believe it was $8.97. Nothing real expensive because this is a diffuser that I keep at my craft table. I'm gonna add 3 drops of the eucalyptus oil and 3 drops of this lemongrass essential oil. Oh my word, does that smell amazing. And I can definitely see why it's called a calming diffuser blend, because it has such a soft, relaxing scent to it. I think this is definitely one of my favorites. I love the smell of that lemongrass mixed in with the eucalyptus oil. That blend smells amazing. For the Car Diffuser blend, I will be putting 3 drops of the spearmint essential oil right onto the diffuser and 3 drops of the lemongrass essential oil as well. Let's go put this in my car and see how it smells. Make sure to head on over to Kayla's channel this week, where she is fulfilling her first subscriber request, doing a review on Dollar Tree's multi-purpose bandana. You can find the link to her video in the description box below. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for Simply Earth's July subscription recipe box. This was such a fun box. I love the car deodorizer. I love the fact that you can just switch up your scent whenever you feel like it, and it's not something that you have to go to the store for. It's something that you can do using your essential oils. If you're interested in receiving one of Simply Earth's subscription recipe boxes, you can find the link to my coupon code in the description box below, where you will receive a $20 gift card via email after you've ordered your first subscription box, along with a bonus box that is valued at $50. This bonus box is designed to get you through 6 months of Simply Earth's recipe boxes, sending you the essentials that you need to complete some of the recipes that they send to you on their recipe cards. Simply Earth is an amazing essential oil company for beginners and not beginners, but it definitely teaches you how to incorporate essential oils into your daily life. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let's get this video to 2,000 likes. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.